We're going to try something else this time with some little coaster stock. So yeah, you can see my first one here where it threw it off the bed, so where I didn't have my fixturing down. Second one I did come out pretty good. I think I was running a little fast. I got a little dark. I had some chips that I just flat sanded it off with a block. So on this one, we're going to try, instead of actual fixturing with the clamps, I saw someone say this on, I think, Reddit, but blue tape on both sides and CA glue and activator to stick it down there. So we're going to try it out. Let's see. Going to safe this engraver bit. Danger. So yeah, so you can see where this was actually cut with a regular mill, and I guess cut out more too. And so we'll get a close look and see if we can see what that 20-degree bit actually did for us. But come out nice and clean. Maybe we'll add something else on here too. Now we've got it zeroed, and see what the V-groove bit does. It looks mean. Doing letters. So that come out great. That V-bit looks fantastic, especially in the cursive script there. That was the 60-degree V-bit. Fixturing, man, this glue, I can't believe how well this works. I mean, look at that. I picked the whole machine up. So just blue tape and super glue. So yeah, that is a fantastic, easy